Hello students, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Sri Chaitanya Education Institution. How are you all? So this session is regarding the score exam pattern and syllabus for all the class 11th JEE aspirants. Okay, so quickly join the session and then we are going to start this informative session about the score exam which we have launched previously yesterday. So good afternoon everyone. Quickly join and then we are going to start. In this particular session, I will be telling you about the score exam pattern. Still you have around 2 months left for exam. So it's a really long time to prepare and do well. Because this is an exam which is given by lakhs of students and you will be competing with one of the brightest minds of our country. So yes, it's a very proud and very exciting moment, and there are very exciting prizes also you're getting through this exam. Okay, so all the class 11th students, please make a note. We'll definitely share the PDF of this in the description box, but yes, please make a note of this, and I will be telling you about what is the exam pattern and what is the syllabus for class 11th. Okay, let's start. So first of all, let me tell you about the grade 11 JEE. I'm talking about JEE only, okay? And the NEET teachers will tell you about the NEET syllabus of class 11th, okay? So the test will be around, this is JEE test. Duration of the exam is 2 hours, please note it down, and question will be multiple choice question. That means objective paper will come and only one option will be the correct option. So exam pattern is, as you can see, and you can note down also, it's a multiple choice question. Okay, so multiple choice question will come in your exam and it's 120 minutes paper. 2-hour paper. Physics you will get 20 questions, chemistry you will get 20 questions, and maths 20 questions. So basically 60 questions in 2 hours. Okay, that means you have 2 minutes to solve per question. So the question level will not be very high according to JEE Advanced. Basically the level of the question paper will be around JEE Main. Okay, it will not be very high or very lengthy paper, because 60 question in 2 hours means you have to complete one question in 2 minutes. So that's not a very lengthy problem paper. Okay, it's a normal, the lengthiness will be normal. Okay, so physics 20, chemistry 20, maths 20, 2 hours, and yes, multiple choice means you have objective paper. That means 4 options and only one will be correct. Now please focus on the syllabus of class 11th physics. Physics we are covering physical world, units and measurements. These are initial chapters of class 11th. You must have studied. This is end of July. I think everyone have studied this physical world, unit and measurement. Motion in straight line obviously is completed. Motion in a plane, laws of motion. Maybe you are somewhere around laws of motion or work energy power. So till the time the paper will arrive on September, I think you will be covering energy and work power energy and system of particles and rotation. In school also, coaching also, everywhere, I think we will finish this chapter. Okay, so energy and power, work energy power, system of particle, rotation, motion will be covered by the end of September or maybe early September, because you have your half-yearly exams in schools also. So yes, so this is the syllabus for the physics. Like first 5-6 chapters are coming, like physical world, okay, unit measurement, motion in a straight line, that is kinematics, motion in a plane, laws of motion, work power energy, and center of mass, system of particles, and rotation motion. So these are the topics which have to cover before the score exam. So school, coaching, everything, I think in 11th class this is the middle chapter. So yes, this will be completed before in wherever you are studying now. Now chemistry is some basic concepts is really the important in the first chapter, basic chapter. Structure of atomic structure hai, this is periodicity and chemical bonding and thermodynamics. So not very high level chapters are there. There are no equilibrium, chemical or ionic or anything, or no organic and inorganic. Inorganic we have chemical bonding and periodic table. But this is the syllabus for chemistry. I think chemistry syllabus is still doable, but physics syllabus is definitely like rotation, system of particles is really a tough chapter, but you have to prepare for it before September. Okay, and we'll be preparing alongside with you, and we'll be definitely teaching you. Coming about my subject mathematics, I think very easy chapters are there. Sets, relation and function is the easiest chapter of class 11th and the first two chapters of class 11th. Then trigonometry, I think everyone is born in trigonometry, so trigonometry is, I think it will not be an issue. Straight line and sequence series, again important chapter. Sequence series will be definitely completed by end of September. I think you must have completed sequence and series. Okay, and if not yet, you will be definitely completing before September. And limit derivatives is a very easy and short chapter. It's not a very tough chapter. So maths and chemistry syllabus still giving you some relaxation, but physics syllabus is little bit on the lengthier side. But yes, we have to complete it before September. Okay, so everyone please, you can take the screenshot or you can note down the syllabus. The physics from unit and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion, work power energy, the initial 5-6 chapters, mechanics basically. So we will be completing all mechanics. Okay, so mechanics portion is there. Chemistry mein its initial chapter, atomic structure, mole concept, periodic table, chemical bonding, thermodynamics. So initial chapters of chemistry, which will definitely be completed around August or in the starting of September. And mathematics, I think you must have covered these chapters, especially limit and derivatives. Limit and derivatives generally we do in the last, but I'll definitely will teach you limit and derivative. Okay, straight line, sequence series and trigonometry, I think that will be 100% cover in August, around August. Okay, so this is the syllabus for physics, chemistry and mathematics. One by one, basic chemistry and then atomic structure and periodic table, chemical bonding and thermodynamics. So he will be covering this, and I will be covering first sets, then relation function, then trigonometry, and then after that sequence series, straight lines and limit derivative. How to prepare for score? So you have to prepare for scores. See, first of all, if I am talking about class 11th, because this session is for JEE Maths and class 11th students, so let's say you want to study sets, relations and functions. So I think you can do your NCERT, the basics you have to cover. The NCERT has so many problems from sets and relation and functions, so definitely you have to do the NCERT. Trigonometry, NCERT is normal types. So apart from NCERT, you can follow any reference book, one reference book. If you use like R.D. Sharma, or you use any book, any module you have, okay? So you can do this from the trigonometry. And then after that you have sequence and series. Again, you have to do the NCERT plus the same, you have to have one reference book, any reference book. You have either you have your module, Sri Chaitanya module, or any module you have. So apart from NCERT, because NCERT will not be that much enough in maths, so you have to practice from one reference book, okay? Same for straight lines, NCERT and reference book, and limits and derivatives, only NCERT. No need to do any book. So set, relation, function and limits you can do by NCERT, and trigonometry, sequence series and straight line. I hope I'm not missing any chapter. Set, relation, trigonometry, I'm not missing any chapter, okay? Yes. So set, relation, function and limits you can do just by reading the NCERT and doing the solved and the exercises part. But trigonometry, sequence series and straight lines are a vital part of the JEE syllabus, so you have to cover. Obviously you'll start with the basics NCERT, and then you must follow a book for these 3 chapters. And definitely I'll be teaching you for JEE Maths, which are in class 11 students, and I'll be giving you some very nice problems on these chapters. And I am sure that you will do wonders in the score exam, I'm sure, okay? But you have to attend the classes regularly, okay? 3 days you have JEE classes, only Tuesday you have JEE Maths, Monday you have chemistry, and Friday you have physics. So class 11 students, mark the timetable, note the timetable and the syllabus, okay? And after this, yes, the rewards and the recognitions you are getting is like worth it. This exam is giving you a lot of exciting prizes, like 2.5 crore cash rewards you are getting, and then scholarship worth 350 crores, NASA trips, wow, and then exciting gadgets and scholarships you are getting if you want to take admission in Sri Chaitanya, because Sri Chaitanya has a legacy of more than 40 years now, and we are producing results year by year, whether it's JEE, NEET, Olympiad, it's regional Olympiad, or whether it's INMO, like for example, national Olympiads or international Olympiads. So we are doing wonders everywhere, and we have so many offline centers across India. Okay, and the list will be given in the description box. So you have to give this core exam and get the scholarship and then study in Sri Chaitanya if you really want to have a bright future. Okay. And don't forget to register SCORE, because the website is live and the website is srichaitanyascore.com. So please visit this website right now and register, because the fees is very minimum fees. And dates, please lock these dates, give on any date you want to. Once you select the center now, when you visit the website and register, when you select the center, the date will automatically come. Okay. So link will also be given in the description box. So please click it and register it right now, right away. Do it. Okay, just give the exam and you'll get the feel of and composure and an exposure of the competitive exams also. So lakhs of students will come in your centers across India, and you will be giving a real exam which you will be giving in next year, because if you're in class 11th, definitely you will be targeting 2027. So yes, so definitely you'll get exposure of how competitive exams are like. You're getting a rank and everything, so you'll get a taste of how competitive these exams are, JEE and NEET especially. Okay. So that's it. So I hope everyone have understood the, sir, question will be tough. No, question will not be tough. And don't worry about it. If the 1 or 2 questions are tough, I am here to solve these questions. Okay, so we'll practice together. So the sessions are planned every week, Tuesday, mathematics at 3 p.m. So you have around, let's say 2.5 months. So we'll be planning around 8 to 10 lectures. So I'll cover each and everything in those 8 to 10 lectures. We'll be covering, we'll doing some nice questions, but the question level will be normal. Don't worry about the level of the problem, okay? So yes, please share and like the session. And if you have any doubt, any query, please write in the comment box. And yes, subscribe to our Sri Chaitanya channel. Okay? Because this is a really good exam. Not a tough one, but it's a competitive one. Okay? So you have to do good, you have to get the scholarship and and you want to win the exciting prizes and the trips and everything, gadgets. So yes, definitely you have to give this exam. And if you get the scholarship, you'll getting the admission in Sri Chaitanya, and I'm sure this is a starting of your good future. So we have our social platforms. You can follow us there also. If you are on Instagram, so you can just follow us on Instagram by Sri Chaitanya. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join on Telegram, the same Sri Chaitanya name. And Google Play, you have our app also, and you can follow us on Facebook also. These are our social media handles. So please, guys, you have to do this. You have to give this exam. Just be with us. We will be preparing you for this core exam this coming 2 months, and for sure we'll be rocking the exam, and ultimately you'll get good prizes and admission also. Yeah. So thank you so much. I hope everyone have understood this. So please share this session among your friends, and you have to register it right away. Okay, so that's the thing you have to do, and you have to prepare for this exam in the next 2 months, and we're definitely with you.